outspoken former Army General retired Lieutenant General Winston Mnangagwa has launched a renewed attack on President Mnangagwa's attempts to amend the Zimbabwean constitution to ensure he gets an extra 2 years of his second and final term. Zarabina Mashu Obraito Govanava Achinzi, 2 years to do what? Outspoken retired Army General says Mnangagwa does not trust citizens to freely choose him. Zarabina Mashu Obrapangwa ine Achinzi Mnangagwa Aripangwa Yakoma. Don't forget to subscribe and like out on the bell icon. Newsmap.com and Ramirachi Mapranga is stood out as one of the few former and current senior government officials against the idea of extending Mnangagwa's stay against constitutional dictates. ZANU-PF, which masterminded Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 and has been campaigning for its enactment without having to go through a referendum, is a party divided. Most within the ruling party are silent, waiting on factional fights to indicate a clear winner before choosing a side. Those in open support of what civic society and opposition politicians have described as illegal are either being used, set to benefit or part of what Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is said, where Jugananda, a derogatory term referring to economic looters. 2 years, President Mnangagwa, what exactly is the plan? Said Mapranga. I've spent decades in uniform defending a Zimbabwe I believed in. I have watched governments rise and I have watched them rot. I have held my tongue when discretion demanded it. I am holding it no longer. 2 years, that is the extension of President Mnangagwa, and the architects of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 are asking this nation to hand over, not in trust, not in partnership, but in blind submission. 2 years to do what? Precisely. That is the question. No one in the corridors of power wants to answer directly. I intended to ask it anyway. Public hearings on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, which began on Monday, have been chaotic, with incidences of intimidation, violence, manipulation, and choreography being raised. Added Mapranga, we are being asked to amend a constitutional framework, the supreme law of the republic, not because the constitution is broken, but because a political timetable is inconvenient. Mapranga's statement shared on social media platforms fell short of declaring that Mnangagwa and his government should have resigned long back as a result of their failure. Doma developments are overthrow Jugananda's plan. In the comment section, videos of Muro aim to deep bombs repeated each. So, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.